There are 6 types of product demos, and most software teams only ever use one. Here's what I mean. Think about the last time you bought a car. You didn't buy after seeing a commercial, but it got your attention. So you searched up a YouTube video and watched a review. Then you went to the dealership to test drive it yourself. And then you negotiated with a sales rep to get the best price. Now, selling software works the exact same way. And in this video, I'm gonna break down all 6 types and when to use each. Okay, so type 1, this is the explainer. This is the glossy TV commercial for the car. Think fast cuts and hero shots and a voiceover selling you the dream long before you've actually seen the real thing. Now, in the software world, this is a short 60 to 90 second narrated clip built over mockups and motion graphics of the product. It's not the real product, but it's an abstracted promotion of it. Its whole job is to answer one question. What is this and why should I care? You'll put this across the top of your funnel. Think landing pages, social posts, or ads. It's also the easiest type to make with AI tools because you don't have to show the real product. You can just have AI create animations in a more visually engaging way than actually just showing your product. There are a lot of interesting ways to actually do this by connecting Claude to open source animation generators like Remotion or Hyperframes. And this can usually carry it from end to end if you want to make these promotional type of videos. But it falls apart if you actually want to show your real product. Which leads me to the next one, which is type 2, the video demo. Now, the car's actually arrived on the lot and the salesperson posts a walk around video on YouTube. It's the real vehicle, it shows the real features, and it's narrated by the person that's going to sell it. In the software world, this is a recorded walkthrough of your actual product. You use a screen recording tool to show it, likely voicing over the process that you're explaining. You might even put yourself in the corner to make it more personal. This is great for spotlighting new features or async sales follow-ups. It doesn't have to be fancy, it just needs to be succinct and visual, where what they see does the selling. Now, number 3 is the live demo. This is when you get to the dealership and the salesperson takes you out with them behind the wheel and you riding shotgun. While they drive, they're pointing things out as they drive. Now, in the software world, this is the traditional real-time sales call with a person driving the product live. Most sales teams do these one-on-one, but if they want to scale it, they sometimes run group webinars with several prospects at once. Save this live demo for later in the funnel after you've qualified that someone might actually buy, or for complex enterprise deal where the buyer expects the person to be walking them through the entire evaluation process. All right, now type 4, the guided interactive demo. Now, with the car analogy, this is where they let you take the wheel, but they load you up with a guided route. And instead of figuring out all the bells and whistles yourself, the sales rep gives you an audio track to play while you drive that explains things about the car. Now, with software, these guided interactive demos are clickable, self-paced product demos that are captured from the real code of your product. The viewer clicks through little hotspots on each screen that have annotations on what they're seeing. These are perfect for embedding on your website so people can try before they buy. But they also work really well for onboarding or product tutorials where new users want to see how to do something in the product quickly. Likewise, sales reps can send these as leave-behinds in an email to their prospects so they can refer back to the things they discussed during a live demo. All right, so number 5 is the Sandbox demo. Now, in the car analogy, finally, the salesperson tosses you the keys and lets you go out alone and drive wherever you want. They don't sit alongside you and they don't tell you what to do. You just get to experience it yourself. Now, with software, this is the free roam clone of your product, and it's where prospects can click around without ever having to sign up. These are really ideal for technical evaluations where the prospects want to know what it actually feels like to use the tool. They don't just want to watch a video or click through a predetermined path. This is the closest thing to having the real product. And type 6 is the new one, the Agentic demo. Picture pulling into the dealership, being met at the door by a concierge, someone who greets you the moment you arrive, asks what you're after, answers your questions on the spot, and then walks you over to a salesperson to introduce you to and share what you're looking for in a car that day. For software, that's an always-on AI product expert that answers a prospect's questions and serves them the right demo format in real time. Most SaaS companies are going to replace their old book a demo forms with this, so people don't have to hand over a bunch of personal information just to see if the product is a fit. They talk to an AI, get what they need, and if it's a match, they get routed straight into a sign-up or to a sales rep. Now, here's the thing. Lots of people are using AI to make animations of their product, but if you need a platform built to capture your actual product, that's Supademo. We have one Chrome extension that records your screen as you click through your product and then turns it into a simple screen recording, an interactive clickable demo, or a full sandbox environment of your product. We've also got an AI demo agent that delivers that agentic demo experience, the always-on expert that answers and demos for your prospects. So whatever stage your buyer is on, Supademo is the one tool that you can use to push them along it. Start for free at supademo.com.